To resize page in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add or resize a page in Canva. So as here you can see, I have this presentation document right here, or this presentation design, which is currently blank. So there is nothing added to any of this particular design. So let me show you how you can add pages of different types of sizes. So in order to do that, you can see at the bottom you have this plus icon that says add pages. So if you'll click onto this, it will add the same page which carries the same properties as the previous one. So if you want to add a different type of page, you will need to click onto this drop down menu, and from here a new menu will appear. From here you can choose any of the pages that you want. If you want to add a different kind of page which is not listed here, you can simply click onto this more button, and from here you will have the option to add custom size as well. So you can click onto the custom size and define the width, and then you can define the height as well. And from here are the units. So currently it's sent to px. So simply click onto this create new page, and here you can see that our first two pages are of the same and large size, whereas this is the second page which is much smaller in size. So that's how easily you can add pages of different sizes in your Canva design. So that was all for this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, to tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.